As we know, Windows 10 will end of support after the 14th of October 2025. What should we do with our PC which using Windows 10? We have 4 options for you to choose. 1. Upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. You could upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 if your PC meets requirements of Windows 11. 2. Switch your OS to Linux or Chrome OS. You can switch your OS to Linux or Chrome OS if you don't want to continue using Windows OS. 3. Continue using Windows 10 without security update. Well, you can continue using Windows 10 without security update from Microsoft, but you can use antivirus applications which you prefer and trust to protect your PC. 4. Buy a new PC. If your hardware of PC is not meet requirements of Windows 11, so you need to buy a new PC instead. Thank you for watching.